Bom dia, tudo bem, gente? Today we are going to look at the alphabet, the letters of the alphabet, some accent marks and punctuation, okay? How you say these in Portuguese. So let's go through the letters of the alphabet. So let's begin with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And then I have letras maiúsculas. So these are capital letters, okay? So we are going to be using this a lot in the classroom. So you have the letras minúsculas, okay? The small letters, okay? And I am going to draw your attention to the fact that in Portuguese, for example, the days of the week and the names of the months of the year are written with small letters, okay, not capital letters. So letras minúsculas, okay? So I want you to know this vocab so that you understand what we are doing in class. Okay, acento agudo. So this is the name of this accent mark. If you have a Mac computer, you just have to hold the key down as you do it on the phone, and then you're going to get these accent marks, okay? If you have if you have a PC, if you have Windows, then you must go to preferences and choose the language, choose another language. So you have these accent marks available. Then you have acento grave, so that's the accent mark that's turned sideways to the left. Acento circunflexo. And what's the difference? This acento agudo, what happens is, and I just put the vowel A here, but what it does is that it indicates the stressed syllable, of course, and it also indicates how the vowel is going to be pronounced. So if you have acento agudo, that means the vowel is going to be open, it's A, okay? With acento circunflexo, the pronunciation is going to be okay? And then you have the C cedilha and the tio, okay? That also, the tio indicates that this, the A is pronounced as with a nasal sound, okay? And you will see this acento grave and acento agudo. You can see this with the vowel E. So if you have the acento agudo, it's going to be E. If you have the circunflexo, it's going to be E, okay? So when you want to ask how you spell a word in Portuguese, you're going to ask, how does one spell comunicação, por exemplo, okay? Como se escreve comunicação? Notice the question, como se escreve? Como se escreve comunicação? C, so here you have how you pronounce the letters, okay? Então, C, O, M, U, N, I, C, A, C cedilha, A, O, tio no A. So this is how you spell it, okay? So the accent mark on top of the letters, you are going to say the letters, how you spell the word, and then you are going to say where the accent mark goes, okay? Então, tio no A. So on the A, okay? If you have two A's, so you have to say if it's the first or the second, okay? Então, tio no primeiro A, tio no segundo A. Como se escreve sério? S-E-R-I-O. Acento agudo no E. Como se escreve dinâmico? D-I-N-A-M-I-C-O. Acento circunflexo no A. And then here you have the punctuation marks, vírgula, ponto, dois pontos, ponto e vírgula, ponto de interrogação, ponto de exclamação, aspas, barra. Okay, and since we're here, let's take a look also at the pronunciation of some of these cognate words, okay? So these are words that look the same in English because they have the same root, okay? So, but the pronunciation is very different, okay? In the spelling and some of them also. So remember that when you have two R's in the middle of a word, the pronunciation of the R is going to be a H, okay? Like the H in English. Arrogante. And it's a good idea for you as you listen for you to write, okay? Get your notebook and just write these words. And it's a good thing for you to spell the words as well. Então, A-R-R-O-G-A-N-T-E. So you practice this, you're going to be like excellent in spelling. Competente. Notice the pronunciation of the E at the end, okay? Competente, eficiente, elegante, fascinante, imparcial, importante, independente, inteligente. Notice that inteligente, be careful because in English there are two L's, in Portuguese it's just one. There are no words in Portuguese that are spelled with double L, ok? Então, interessante, independente, inteligente, interessante, liberal. Notice the pronunciation of the L at the end of the word, okay? It's not L, it's U, okay? Liberal. Materialista, otimista, paciente, imparcial, perfeccionista, pessimista, popular, rebelde. Remember that the R at the beginning of the word is always going to be pronounced as a H, okay? The H sound. Rebelde, responsável, sentimental, agressivo. So here, when you have the A in parentheses, it's because the word has a feminine form, ok? Então, agressivo, agressiva. Ambicioso, ambiciosa. Remember what I told you? If the S is between two vowels, the pronunciation of the S will be Z, ok? Ambicioso. Animado, animada. Here, animado, it can be animated, okay, like animated, like cartoons, for example, okay? So, but when you are a cheerful person, an upbeat person, this is the word that we use, okay? Então, ele é animado, ela é animada, eu sou animada. Remember that the adjective will agree with the person that is speaking. So if I am talking about the quality that I have, or be it negative or positive, so I'm going to say, because I use the pronoun she for myself, so I'm going to say animada, okay? Atlético, atlética. Calmo, calma. Corajoso, notice the S, the pronunciation of the S, okay? The S between two vowels, okay? Entre duas vogais, Z, corajoso. Criativo. Introvertido, moderno, moderna. Religioso, religiosa. Romântico, romântica. Tímido, tímida. Sério, séria. Ok, gente, obrigada. Até a próxima.